this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. Today I would like to show you a close-up look at a new design. This is called the Rose Lullaby Baby Blanket. And I used a lovely pale rose colored yarn. I believe the actual color name was Bone. And this yarn is quite a pretty yarn from Lion brand. Just show you the actual skein here. Color Theory by Lion brand. And available quite a few places around the world. I purchased it here in New Zealand, but you can also find it in the USA, etc. And I used just a few skeins. I think it was maybe 6 skeins to make this beautiful baby blanket. And this pattern is a made-to-measure design, so you can use the same design pattern to create a blanket of any dimensions, any length, any width, and use yarn and hook of choice. And you can see it's also reversible, so the same texture on both sides. The entire pattern uses only one basic stitch, and that is half double slip stitch, and also a foundation chain. So basically one stitch used in a different way creates this beautiful knit look texture. Basically looks like knit look blocks, and then there's open work rows and stitches in between to create that effect. And it's just very pretty and very much knit look. And I'm really pleased with how this one turned out. This is available in my Ravelry shop separately and also available as part of a special ebook which I've been creating. It's the 15th anniversary or 15 years ebook. I've basically been designing full-time as an independent crochet designer for 15 years. So it's kind of exciting for me, and I thought I would do a special ebook and have some new designs just to feature some of the techniques I like to use. I generally like to do knit look designs. So this ebook currently has one pattern in it, which is this blanket, and there's another one that I'm working on currently, which will be added in the next few days, and there'll be some other designs added as well. So I will link to those in the description box, and you can check those out. And hopefully you'll enjoy making this beautiful Rose Lullaby baby blanket.